Assalamu alaikum students. Today we have to do question number 6 and 7 of workbook of chapter number 1. Question number 6. The diagram shows a hot water storage tank. The tank has a heater at the bottom which heats the water. This is water heater. Hot water storage tank use either fuel such as natural gas or electricity to heat water. In fuel burning system, a thermostat triggers the system to burn fuel for heat when the water's temperature falls. When the temperature reaches the set point, it triggers the system to stop burning fuel. Number 1. Explain why the heater is fitted at the bottom of the tank. Beta, heater is fitted at the bottom of the tank because cold water is denser than warm water, so settles at the bottom of the tank. Number 2. Where would be the best place to put out a pipe to carry out hot water from the tank? A, B, C or D? A, B, C or D? Beta, A would be the best place to put a pipe to carry hot water from the tank. A, explain your answer. It is because hot water is less than cold water and it would rise to the top of the tank, and therefore point A would be the best. Number 3. Hot water tanks are sometimes kept under a protective cover. This undersurface of the cover often gets dirty with the dust from the floor. Suggest how the dust gets onto the undersurface of the cover. Hot air arises, pulling along with it dust particles from the floor. Question number 7. A thermos flask can keep drinks hot or cold for hours. This is because it has several features which reduce the amount of heat energy flowing out of it. The diagram shows how a thermos flask is constructed. Beta, this is a screw top made of plastic, and it prevents the heat loss by conduction and convection. This is the space between these two layers of the vacuum flask. With all the air removed, the vacuum has been created because vacuum prevents the heat loss by conduction and convection. The silver surface inside the vacuum container prevents the heat loss by radiation. Question number 1. Explain how the thermos flask prevents the heat loss by conduction. But the screw top made of plastic prevents the heat loss by conduction. B. Convection. The space between the walls has air removed so as to create vacuum. That's why vacuum prevents the heat loss by convection. Radiation. The silver lining of the walls reduce the heat loss by radiation. Number 2. Why is a flask good at keeping drinks cold as well as hot? Beta, in a thermos flask, most of the heat is prevented to enter or leave the flask. This is done by suitable measures to reduce the transfer of heat due to conduction, convection and radiation. Thus, anything kept in it maintain its temperature for a long time. Part 3. Design a container that could be used to carry hot food from a takeaway to your home without the food going cold. Draw a diagram of your design and label any special features. Explain why you have included these features in your design. Beta, this is a creative question and you have to do by yourself. Thank you.